Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Swan Lake's outfit, the one with the wings in Dress to Impress. VIP needed only for the crown, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is just the hair here. Select this hair in blonde here and no bangs. Select this hair in the same color, position the Y.56 Z.6, rotate the X to 0 and scale it to 0.41. Get the lashes and toggle it to the 7th option and position the Y.49. For the crown, I use this in this color FFB9C6 and ACC4FF. Save those colors because we're going to be using them a lot. Position the Y.53 Z.52 and rotate the X to 0.63. Grab this crown and color it the other way around, blue and then pink first. Position the Y.63 Z.55 and scale it to 0.25. For the outfit, I'm just going to use this top in no bow, undershirt details, and lace. Oh, actually we will need details for this. Color it pink and then blue, I think. Then I did pink here for the gem. Then I used this skirt in no bow, and I think pink and then blue and then pink. And then the rest in blue, I think. I don't remember. Grab the petal dress. We do need this one. In no silver top. Color the first color blue and then pink and then blue again. Then for the shoes, we're just going to use the ballet shoes that we have here. Like the only ballet shoes we have in the ballet toggle, and we're just going to color everything pink. Then for the sleeves, we're going to use kind of the same thing again here from like the same set. And I think I did blue and then pink and then pink and then blue. I don't remember. And then blue and then pink. Something like that. Just make it blue and pink. It doesn't really matter like the order, I guess. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oops, I forgot the wings. I don't remember where the wings are in this new update, like, to be honest. Oh my gosh, I just had them. I was like, where are they? Oh, here it is. And just white. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.